Okay, so let's start. So today we had 7 MCQs. Two of them are a little different. Rest are okay. There are 1 or 2 theory MCQs in those. Okay, theory is also important from statistics point of view because it will help you to score 1 mark in like literally 4, 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Okay, and you can use that time somewhere else. Fine. So first, in a histogram, height of a rectangle is 5 and width is 2. So histogram looks like this, right? So just a second, let me connect my pencil. Yeah, okay. So histogram looks like this, okay, where classes can be of different width also. So they are saying height of a rectangle is 5 and width is 2. Okay, it is not as, I mean, this seems lesser, but assume that this height is 5, width is 2. Okay, now understand width is class length and height is frequency density. Frequency density. So area of the rectangle is the frequency. For second class, they are saying width height is 3. So this is 3 they are saying, and width is 5. Okay, fine. So which class is higher frequency? Now understand frequency density is what? Frequency density is frequency upon class length. So frequency is what? Frequency density into class length, which is nothing but height into width for a histogram. So 2 into 5, 10, and 3 into 5, 15. So second class has higher frequency. Okay. Next. In a bag, there are broken and unbroken bulbs in the ratio of 5:3. Which of the following cannot be the number of total bulbs? Fine. 5:3 means 5 plus 3 is 8. So 5 by 8 and 3 by 8. Broken and unbroken. So understand, if there are 16 bulbs in total, then 16 into 5 by 8 and 16 into 3 by 8, that will be the number of broken and unbroken bulbs, right? How much is that? 10 and 6. Fine. If 96 bulbs are there, then 96 into 5 by 8 is how much? Let's just check. So 96 into 5 by 8 is 60 broken bulbs and 36 unbroken bulbs. If there are 100 total bulbs, what is 100 into 5 by 8? 62.5, right? Now this is not possible. Why? Because how can there be 62.5 bulbs? Broken is, if we can say that 62.5 broken bulbs are there, but unbroken bulbs cannot be in decimal points, right? Which will be 100 into 3 by 8, which is 37.5. So that is not correct. So 100 is the answer. 8 is obviously we can divide it as 5 and 3. Next, third. A family of 4. This is also a good one, very good one. If you have any doubts, let me know in comments or on the channel. Okay, and on channel I post MCQs daily, so you can join it. It will be useful because till exam you'll be able to solve nearly hundreds of MCQs. So family of 4 could fulfill their needs at rupees 5,000 per month in 2020. In 2023, spouse of one of them came to live with them. Okay, so now there are 5 people. Price index number had increased from 845 to 1023. Assuming proportionate increase in quantity, how much do they need per month? Okay, understand carefully. 4 people need 5,000 rupees in 2020 when price index number is 845. Now price index number is 1023. How much will they need? Forget about this spouse. Okay, just 4 people. How much will they need? Can you just cross multiply? Sorry. Yeah. 5,000 divided by question mark is equal to 845 divided by 1023. So how much will it be? 5,000 divided by 845 into 1023, which is 6053.25 rupees. But this is for 4 people. So how much for 5 people? That is our answer. Because now one more person has come and they are saying assume proportionate increase in quantity. So 6053.254 something divided by 4 into 5. That will give us 7566.5 or 7567. Like I said, it's a good one. Understand the concept behind price and quantity index number so that you will get questions like this. There are a lot of questions like this in additional question bank and they come in exam also, right? Fourth, select correct statement. If x and y both contain all natural numbers till n in different order. So they mean one, maybe x is like this 1, 2, 4, 3. Y is like this 4, 1, 2, 3. So 1 to n numbers in different order. then Pearson's correlation coefficient and Spearman's correlation coefficient are equal. That is correct, because understand, in Pearson's correlation coefficient we take actual values. In Spearman's rank correlation coefficient we take ranks. Okay, so if we say that this is first rank, this is second rank, this is third rank, this is fourth rank, we can directly use Spearman's correlation coefficient also. And understand that Spearman's formula is derived from Pearson's formula only. It is not a different formula. It is the same formula if values are if values are 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. I have explained this in regular lectures. I have explained how Spearman's formula is derived, so you can watch that for conceptual understanding. So that is the answer, but let's read the rest. Slope of regression line has nothing to do with correlation between two variables. That is wrong, because regression line is sorry, x is equal to a plus by, let's say, and this b is regression coefficient, then y is equal to a plus bx, that b is also regression coefficient, and correlation coefficient is nothing but this bxy into byx square root, right? So it has everything to do with this is slope. Slope is what? The coefficient of that y or x if we bring the line in standard form. So this is wrong. Both regression coefficients can have opposite signs. That is wrong, because we just saw this formula. Either both have to be positive or both have to be negative. Coefficient of non-determination lies between -1 and +1. That is wrong, because coefficient of non-determination is what? 1 minus r square. Now r square is going to be between 0 and 1. So 1 minus r square is also between 0 and 1. Okay. Next, fifth. You have two options. This is also a good one. Get 10,000 per year starting from year 3 to year 7 or get 36,000 today. Interest rate is 7%. Which option you select? Now understand, this is annuity, but this is annuity which is starting from year 3 to year 7. There are two ways to solve this. Okay, I'll explain. One way is very simple. On your calculator, take 1 divided by 1.07. 1 divided by 1.07. Take press equal to. That is the first year's discount rate. Forget about it. Again press equal to. That is second year's discount rate. Again forget about it. Again press equal to. That is third year's discounting rate. Press M plus for that. Again press equal to. That is fourth year's discounting rate. Again press M plus. Again equal to M plus fifth year. Again equal to M plus sixth year. Again equal to M plus seventh year. Okay. So year 3 to 7. Then press MRC to get total. Multiplied by 10,000. That's it. So present value factor into 10,000 rupees. That is annuity. Check if you are getting 35,812 point something. 35,812 point something. That means present value of this annuity is 35,812. But you can get 36,000 today directly. So that is better. One time receipt is better. Right. One other way to solve this is, if you feel this is confusing, this is the best for exam because you can solve it fast. But if you feel this is confusing, then what else you can do is, let me just show you. There is notes. Okay. Fine. Okay, just a second. Okay. Yeah. So what you can do is, you are getting the amount from 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? Fine. So let's say this is today. Year 2 is today. Assume that this is today. So you are getting 10,000 every year from next year. For how many years? Next 5 years, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is today, right? Forget about year 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is today, so that means this is annuity, right? Annuity of 5 years. So just use normal formula of annuity. How do you do that? 1 divided by 1.07, then equal to 5 times, then grand total, and multiply it by 10,000. Check on your calculator. Let me check. 1 divided by 1.07 equal to 5 times grand total into 10,000. Check if that gives you 41,001. That means 41,001.97 something, right? Fine. That is the today's value. Today's means second year's value. But now you have to bring it to present. That means you have to discount it by 2 years. So just do divide by 1.07 raised to 2. So how will you do that? 41001, you already have it on your calculator, right? Plus divide by 1.07 equal to 2 times equal to. Check, you should get exactly same answer, 35812. Okay. Complicated way, so you can do follow this first way, which is better anytime. Fine. So next, if you have any doubts, let me know, and I have uploaded this in detail in the revision lectures of TBM, so you can go through that. Last two, for a quadratic equation, one root p is square of other root q. So p is equal to q square. If sum of roots, that is p plus q, is 182, find q. P is q square, right? That means q square plus q is equal to 182. So just go by options. You will find 13 square plus 13, that is 182. This option. Okay. Fine. Last one. In a poll conducted with 3 options, if the ratio of people saying yes to people saying no is 5:4, and people saying maybe are 53 people are saying maybe, find total number of people if people saying yes are 65. So 5:4, 5 is people saying yes, right? So that means this is 65. We have to find how much is this. So just cross multiply it. 65 into 4 by 5, that is 52. So that means how many total people are there? 65 plus 52 plus 53, that is 170. This is the correct answer. Okay, fine. So that's it for today. I hope this was clear. If you have any doubts, let me know in comments. And if you like this video or this concept of daily MCQs, do subscribe to the channel, because I regularly upload all the exercises, question banks for free. Even the regular batch for mathematics and revision batch, all are uploaded for free on the channel, because I believe everyone should have access to shortcuts, tricks, tips for maths, which is very essential from exam point of view. Okay, fine. So let's stop for today. Bye everyone.